It's raining here, guys. Look at them. I feel pity on them. It's raining because they're just hiding under the mango tree or under the car. So sometimes this one, because oh my God, they're fighting.
Bella, what are you doing, huh?
She's rubbing her body against my legs. Hey. Oops. Oops. I just feel pity because there's thunder